Hey everyone, welcome to this video. And this one, I very quickly want to show you how to install Terraform on Windows. So I did a search on install Terraform. I am on the first link. I'm going to click on that one. And to install Terraform, you need to go down there. And over here to install Terraform, find the appropriate package. Click on that one. That will give you this page. And since I'm going to use it on 64-bit Windows machine, I'm going to click on that one. It will start the download. It's only 31.4 MB. Hit OK. It will download the file. Once the file is downloaded, you can go there and open it up. And what you will see inside the file, there's a terraform.exe file that's already located. Okay, don't try to double click on it or anything. This is the compiled version. You don't need to do any more further installation. So what I do, I'm going to recommend that you copy this one, go to your PC, okay, create a folder like say for example app. It's a new application. Inside the application I'm going to add say called Terraform, and inside the Terraform I'm going to paste that file. It's right now here. Now I can open a new Windows terminal in here. So if you look at it, it is going to see app Terraform. So in here, if you see, let's see, dot slash terraform.exe, if I run this file, and you see I have all the commands that I have available to me. So I have a complete installation of Terraform. Now, if you just open a regular CMD and if you try to run Terraform, it doesn't know because this command doesn't mean much right now. So what you need to do, copy environ or edit, just start typing en. It's then this link will come up, edit the system environment variable, click on that one, then go down to the environmental setup, and over here we are gonna work on the system variable. Click on the path, click on edit, and here click on new, and here I'm going to put the path where we have placed the Terraform file. So copy that one, again come back over here, hit new and paste. So now my path for the environment variable is updated. Hit OK, hit OK, hit OK. Now over here you press the up arrow, run. Oh my god, it's still not there. What's happening? So you close that one and then reopen your command prompt. Okay, then do a Terraform and hit apply. Now everything is good. It's all available to you. So please remember, this is the process of installation. First time you update the path, you have to close your command window, then reopen that one for the path to be effective. And that's it. You have a Terraform with you. Have fun. Thank you.